The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's 200-megapixel camera could lack a feature seen on Chinese phones. After 3 years of launching Galaxy S Ultra phones with 108-megapixel cameras, Samsung is finally ready to switch to a 200-megapixel camera on its next top-of-the-line flagship. And Samsung has made multiple 200-megapixel camera sensors, one of which has already been used by competing manufacturers like Xiaomi, and next year, the Korean giant is preparing to make the jump to a 200-megapixel camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It will reportedly capture 12.5-megapixel images using pixel binning, a process that merges multiple small pixels into one single large pixel for improved image quality, especially in low-light conditions. If a rumor accurate, then you will either be able to take 12.5-megapixel pictures that don't offer much leeway in terms of how far you can zoom in but save space on the device storage, or capture a huge 200-megapixel pictures that eat up considerably more storage space. Samsung also mentioned that they achieved this record speed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which confirms the upgrade for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This will enhance user experiences with new features and improved performance for high-speed data service applications, including 5G, camera, AI applications, and the new RAM is more efficient as well. So coupled with the new chipset, new RAM and new storage, the S23 Ultra will surely have a noticeable improvement in performance while also providing more battery life than its predecessor. We've got a tweet from Ice Universe, and he says if you want to buy the S22 Ultra right now, then you should stop right away now, and he says that buying the S23 Ultra is a much better choice. Ice Universe mentions that Samsung has increased the weight of the phone by 6 grams. The S22 Ultra weighs 228 grams, but the S23 Ultra will weighs 234 grams. The additional 6 grams is probably coming from the frame at the sides, which is now a wider display. The Galaxy S23 will likely be superior to the iPhone 14 even if Samsung ships the same display as the S22, because Samsung provides a display with a 120Hz refresh rate that can be reduced to a 48Hz frame rate. Not as flexible as the iPhone 14 Pro's 1 to 120Hz range, but still better than the regular iPhone 14's maximum of 60Hz. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.